today I will show you how to make Dalgona coffee. So enjoy my video.
The ingredients are a pack of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half glass of hot water, some ice cubes, and milk.
So let's start it.
First of all, mix the instant coffee, sugar, and hot water. Mix well in 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it's supposed to be thick and creamy. Put some ice cubes to the glass. Pour milk to the glass. Then put the whip to the top of milk.
This is the Dalgona coffee. Let me taste it. Is it really good taste? You can try it at home. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum and bye bye.